Hey guys, Ed here. Today I have this 2015 Nissan Murano, and this quick video I'd like to show you how to take off and replace your rear door panel. So we're gonna work on this side, so let's start. These are the tools we're gonna need. It's a butter knife, regular, just a knife, and a 10mm socket with a ratchet. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this. This looks scratched already, somebody was here before. We're gonna remove this cover and this cover. Okay, so we take the knife. Let me try to do this with one hand. Okay, just slowly try not to scratch it, because it's very brittle plastic, it's gonna scratch easy. Now we have to remove this thing. For that I'm gonna use butter knife. Get this in. Oh wow, here it is. And yeah, we have two 10mm bolts, one here, I believe this one is a screw. No, it's also bolt 1, 2. So that's where we're gonna use our 10mm ratchet. Okay, so let's get them out. Okay, just take it out. Now, when we have screws out, what we're gonna do? We're gonna take this panel out. Take butter knife and get it somewhere here. Just little by little. Don't overforce it. Just little by little. You have to remove it. Okay, good. Disconnect this connector. Just press the middle piece in and pull off with your fingers the connector. Next step, now the panel is being held down by clips all around the perimeter. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab on the bottom here in the corner, and we're gonna slowly pull it. Don't rush it, you're gonna break clips. Just pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Eventually it's gonna pop out. So look. Hope you guys can see it. So I'm just grabbing on it and I'm pulling up. Very easy. It was super easy because somebody was here before. That's why. Just okay. That's it. Just raise the panel up. Then we're gonna have the handle here, so you get the white. As you can see, just get it out and slide out. Again, get it out and slide out. That's it. You have the panel out. Now whatever you have to do, you do. Have a window regulator, motor and stuff, and speaker handle. If you need to replace the handle, there are how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3 screws. 1, 2, 3, and then just get it out, get the new one. That's it. Very simple. When you have to put everything back, you just align the door, put handle back in place, handle links, this ball, this. Alright, connect the no, connector goes through the hole here. Okay, after that align all the clips with the holes. No, sorry, you have to put the top on first. You put the top, make sure there are no gaps here. Okay, so everything has to be nice and aligned. After that, you'll see that your holes are aligned with the clips, and what you have to do, you just have to tap all over. If it doesn't go in, it means there is some problem. What's the problem here? Good. No. Okay, now see, one clip wasn't closed. That's why it didn't close. So now it's all good. That's it. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our things. Okay. Yeah, now we're gonna take screws, put them back in place. So put screws back in here and here, and then close everything with lids. Okay, so put the caps back in. Look, I have my caps back. And take this thing, connect the connector. And slide the front nose in first. This one here, slide it in first. Okay, and after you have everything good, just tap on it. That's it. No gaps, means everything's correct. Okay guys, so this is it. Hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.